Predictive Analytics. A new era of business data value. In today's world, businesses have a wealth of data at their fingertips. Business intelligence is a technology-driven way of analyzing information and delivering actionable insights that can help managers, executives, and end users gain detailed insights that aid them in making decisions. While traditional business intelligence tools primarily monitor historical data and current data, predictive analytics utilizes data, statistical algorithms, data mining methodologies, analytical techniques, and machine learning algorithms to determine the likely outcomes based on historical data to provide insights into the future. In addition to being able to determine what has happened in the past and why it happened, predictive analytics also helps you understand what could happen in the future. Digital transformations and increased competition have made companies more competitive than ever before. Therefore, companies should look for predictive models that identify potential opportunities, plan and optimize marketing strategies, map consumer behavior. Depending on which business metric you're forecasting, the system selects a model that's uniquely suitable. The process consists of a series of steps. Determine the purpose of the forecast. Identify the items for the forecast. Choose a forecast model type. Obtain and analyze the data needed for the model. Make the forecast. Analyze, verify, and implement the results. Regardless of the business model, forecasting is extremely important for businesses as it creates some insurance for future business outcomes.